Chasing your 453A Drywall Finisher and Plasterer Certificate of Qualification in Ontario? This is the last mile playbook. It's non-compulsory, so we cover why the ticket is worth it, plus hours, eligibility, booking, the exam, prep, exam day, and what changes when you pass. And one key thing, finishers are IUPAT, not UBC. We'll explain why that matters.
8 sections, start to finish. The placement problem and the voluntary question, your hours and logbook, STO eligibility, booking the exam, what's on it, how to prep, exam day, and what changes after you pass. Skip ahead to whatever you need. Finishing is non-compulsory, but the ticket unlocks Red Seal, the dual 451A combo, and the Heritage Plaster market. Here's the hack. Sign up at aecstack.com, run the setup, and open deal flow. See which contractors just won fit-up, tower, and institutional work. If you're still looking, walk in on one you know is busy. If you're already on a crew, take the jobs coming in your area to your boss. 4,920 work hours, 480 in school. 1 level, 3 years. Know the split. 453AU is the finisher, taping, mudding, plaster, and your IUPAT District Council 46. 451A is the installer, hanging board, and they're UBC. The dual credential is the small shop combo, but it means 2 unions. Eligibility needs the school level passed, 4,920 hours logged, all competencies signed, and your sponsor's final attestation in. Expect 4 to 8 weeks of lag. If it stalls past 8 weeks, phone STO at 647-847-3000. Don't email. Book at portal.skilledtradesontario.ca. Pay the fee first, $169.50. Enter your STO ID, pick a date and center. First attempt is free for post-2025 completers. Toronto runs 4 to 6 weeks, regional centers often 1 to 2. Don't book before you're ready. Multiple choice, 70% to pass, closed book. The exam lives on GA214, levels of finish, 0 through 5. Level 4, 3 coats over tape, is the common spec. Level 5 adds a skim coat for critical lighting. Where people fail, the levels, plaster types, texture techniques, and heritage fundamentals. Your in-school binders are the syllabus. Drill the GA214 levels, 0 through 5, until you can describe each cold. That's the most tested thing. Know plaster types, gypsum, cement, and lime, and texture techniques. Practice the estimating math. Use the current GA standards. Plan 3 to 5 weeks. Bring photo ID and your printed authorization to test letter. The center provides a calculator and reference excerpts. Your phone, books, and GA standards get confiscated. The levels of finish and plaster questions eat time, so budget for them and keep moving. Pass or fail shows on screen. Red Seal is automatic at 70%. Designation, drywall finisher, and plasterer. Add 451A for the dual small shop combo, but note it's UBC, so that's 2 unions. Get into Heritage Plaster, the highest margin specialty. And remember, lime for old walls, never hard cement. And your training center is IFSTC Woodbridge, not FTI. That's the last mile to your 453A. The full written guide is at aecstack.com. Sign up, run the setup, and find the work with DealFlow. Next up is 455 AEIFS Mechanic. Drop your situation in the comments. I read them.